Well, my wheelie vet is set up using a closet rod that I've had for years laying around. That's the old rocking horse on springs bottom. Of course, the rocking horse is now on our porch swing, but I've got to prep it for paint. I'm going to test it. The only thing I've got to test it with right now in the garage is this old new bright Bronco. Of course, it ain't got no battery in it or nothing. So I threw a DeWalt package of DeWalt carpet staples in it. And we're going to give it a test run from the back side. Here we go. Okay. I have to put a ramp back here at the back side to help you get up on this back end. But that's fine. I've got some rock laying around. I got this stick here. We're going to try to get this thing up on here real quick. Oh, yeah. All right. Gonna give her a shove. Just pushing on it. Want to make sure you guys can see this. I've done tested it. Uh-oh. So roll it. Don't push on it. It catches right there. As you can see, it's not lifting yet. So, I'll push on it from back here. Ooh, starting to lift, starting to lift. You don't want it? Okay, try it now. Bam! And away she goes. Yes. God, it's fun to have tools to play with. Yes, it is. You know what? All I got left to do to that is to paint it. Yes, I got to prep it out, paint it. I think it's going to look sharp. Of course, I got to tape off some spots. I got to tape off my Chevy Junior tag there on it. And I've got some Amazon strip LEDs coming, 12 volt. I'm going to wire them up to a 9 volt battery because that is an actual diffuser panel for, yep, right there. That right there. So, it's going to light that up. I'm not going to paint that. Take that off. I think it's going to be fun. I really do. Might even have to team crawl it with the smaller ones, you know. But I think it'll be fun. We get the smaller ones on here. Might have to get 2 or 3 of them on it at the same time. That's going to be funner. Yes, it is. Hey, thanks for watching, y'all. Like and subscribe. You know, this old man just has fun. And I want to shout out to Operation 11 Charlie. He is doing great things. Veterans helping veterans. So y'all look him up. Operation11charlie.org. Check him out. We're doing good. Y'all later.